There's no doubt these are difficult times, and many of us are struggling mentally. To help combat the challenges imposed by the pandemic, spiritual master Rohini Ralby has set up regular online meditations that are completely free and open to the public. Since April 2020, Rohini has been running these sessions, and people tune in regularly throughout the week from all over the world. Whether you are seriously seeking a spiritual path or just looking to experience a respite of calm and relief from mental pain, these meditations can be joined with a click of a button from the homepage of practiceforus.com. There's no need to contact in advance or put on your microphone or video. Just find a place to sit quietly, join the WebEx, and participate in a communal meditation led by an advanced spiritual teacher who radiates love. Rohini Ralby is a disciple of renowned monk Swami Muktananda, with whom she traveled and worked closely until his death in 1982. Since then, she has continued to practice the teachings he passed on to her, and has herself been teaching for more than 30 years in Baltimore, Maryland. Please check the description below for information on times and how to join these meditations, and experience for yourself why Rohini's students find it easier in her presence to go inward into the heart.